Baby Boo.
Baby Boo woke up one sunny day, put on her shades and shouted hooray. Hopped on a plane with a giggle and cheer. We're flying to Hawaii, the islands are near. Aloha waves, aloha sun. Baby Boo's adventure has just begun. Hula skirts twirling, ukuleles play. We're dancing through Hawaii all day. She built a big castle out of soft white sand, a coconut drink in her tiny hand. Saw a dolphin flip, gave a squeaky, and rode on a floaty across the blue sea. Aloha waves, aloha sun. Baby Boo's adventure has just begun. Drums pounding, surfboards, short slide down a rainbow with a whooshy swoosh. She met a gecko in a tall green tree. He said, "Hula with me." They twirled and laughed in the golden light as the sky turned pink in the soft twilight. Aloha waves, aloha sun. Baby Boo's adventure has just begun. Pineapple pops and firefly glow, off to a luau. Let's go, let's go. The stars came out and blew yawned wide, snuggled in a hammock side to side. With a teddy in hand and a flower light, she dreamed of more fun the Hawaii way. Aloha waves, aloha moon. Baby Boo will be dreaming soon. Island adventures, sweet and bright. Good night, Hawaii, aloha, good night.